Here on the streets of Namche Bazaar, they sell pretty much whatever you need. Namaste. So we just bought a carabiner. Probably some cheaper ones here I didn't see, but too late for that now. And now we're looking to buy a headlamp or tiny flashlight. Let's go shopping. What do we got here?
Tiny flags from other countries?
Yeah.
You don't have mine though.
No?
Italy, Germany.
You have Germany. You don't have Chile?
Chile.
Yeah? No?
Chile.
It's hard to get.
Yeah, from Chile.
Not from Chile.
Yeah.
Italy.
Italy.
You have all the big countries.
Yeah. No Chile.
Okay.
All the major ones. All right. Thank you.
You can see there with the flashlight that's going to be more expensive.
Oh, probably. I just want a cheap one. Like, I'm just gonna use it a couple times. And what do we have here? So these are booties for sleeping, so you don't lose your toes. I'm just gonna use socks. So if I come back to Canada with no toes. Oh, a couple of locals here. Appear to be under the influence of something. Isabel thinks it's booze. I was gonna say it's hash, but it's booze. Nothing like getting loaded on the streets of Namche Bazaar. Oh, we take a look. You want to take a look? Let's take a look.
Available.
Laundry
How
available.
do you think they dry it?
Oh, a lot more stuff here. Yeah. Oh, there you go. We got Sherpa gear. Sherpa pants.
You can go to work.
Go to work with those, yeah.
It's getting colder, isn't it?
Oh, how's it going?
Yeah, just walked
Pretty
up
good.
there, but after this it looked like nothing.
Oh,
Because the cloud's coming up and...
Just like
Cool.
everywhere. Let's go.
Hi,
what's your name?
Moritz.
Moritz? Mike.
Yeah, Mike. Hi, Mike.
Isabel.
You want to be in my video?
Oh, yeah,
My GoPro video?
Hi, man.
So we met on the plane from Kathmandu to Lukla, and we just happened to meet again here in Namche Bazaar.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah.
Everywhere on the track.
On the hike. Here?
I was going to ask you, how much are they charging you for the room?
For the room, I have no idea. I paid the whole...
You pay the whole thing
whole
in
thing,
advance.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And
And you're the guide?
he's my guy,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Okay, how are you?
Nice to meet you. So what are you going to do today? Just walk around?
I just
Check,
walked
yeah,
around.
check it around.
Yeah. You? You go for food? You go for food? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you go for...
She's just there.
Yeah, it's true. So what are you going to do after? Just like...
Relax.
Yeah.
Actually,
Pretty-
we got
pretty
here.
tired.
Hearing audiobooks. I didn't download any movies, so
Yeah.
I have to listen to audiobooks.
Actually, I don't download it on Netflix. Like a show we were watching, it's like 2 episodes I have.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for it to actually watch.
Then I tried downloading a couple, it wouldn't work. So.
Yeah.
I just realized that you can do with the Netflix
Yeah.
app. Yeah, so I might do. And buy some.
Because I think on the computer you can do it, but
Yeah,
on the
right.
phone, if you have the
Yeah,
app,
right.
it gives you the option.
Yeah,
so
so-
actually, I told myself,
Thank you.
have a nice day.
Well, we just purchased here a headlamp for 750 rupees. And I have Isabel to thank because she just saved my ass.
Exactly.
Because the one I did buy didn't work. And Isabel asked to borrow a few batteries to just make sure it works. And to my horror, it didn't work. So, so headlamp, working headlamp. Yeah. We got my carabiner I needed. And now I'm gonna buy some Cliff Bar, or not, granola bar, whatever you wanna call it. And streets of Namche Bazaar. They sell everything.
What are you gonna buy?
I should buy some like power bar or granola bar, something like that, you know. Let's go to the grocery store. Everest Sherpa grocery store, Namche Bazaar.
Is this a
It is a grocery store. Let's see if we can get myself some namaste, some power bar or granola bar. We have some almonds. Oh, those are the bottles of rum I used to drink when I was in Annapurna.
Oh, really?
They sell those ones there too, yeah. But no power bar? Is that on that side? No. Where? Oh, oh, chocolates. Do you have a granola bar? Granola bar? No?
Sorry?
Granola bar? Like bar?
Bar.
Yeah.
Like
Like
It's like chocolate but healthy.
Alpine bar like
Do you have like a bag? Like a lots in one? No?
how you sell it, like loose.
Oh, just one at a time. I see. Okay. Okay.
You want one? Or you want me to buy one?
She wants both. Yeah.
How are you?
She's good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Namaste.
And the hunt continues for granola bar / Cliff Bar. There's no way they sell Cliff Bars here, I know that. But... Oh yeah. Or power bar, like.
I knew you would put mine.
Yep. Now you're gonna get wet and cold. Here at Namche Bazaar. Yeah, it's getting pretty wet. But if we go back to the hotel, there's a Walmart. Yeah? Okay, it's a store called Walmart, but it's not an actual like Walmart.
I think you should put your flashlight away from your...
Nah, that's fine. Oh, I got all sorts of things here. Got trinkets and some shirts, lots of souvenirs. Oh, hello again. He's in the video again.
You have to share with him.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to tag him. Look, 7-Eleven.
Nice.
Yeah. But oh, there you go. Look, Walmart shopping center and grocery. So let's see what we can get. Look, right there it says all kind of chocolate energy bar. See? At the local Namche Bazaar. Namaste. Walmart. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. $8.50. See, I told you it'd be double. But it's probably a good idea I buy these bars and not. Yeah, anyway. What else we got here? We got Mountain Man. Well, Isabel, you want chocolate or which flavor you want? Leave, I'm gonna go with the chocolate one. I'm gonna grab the one in the back here. Hopefully it's fresher. Yes, very good. Anything else?
Nope.
We got here San Miguel. Oh shit, it's only 400. Maybe for later, tomorrow. Some San Miguel. Didn't think it was that cheap.
Look.
Oh, metal cups.
And that one looks tougher than mine.
Looks better. Okay.
My thing is like pulling apart.
Just the power bar.
You have pockets,
800. You want to be my camera lady? Camera woman, sorry. 850, 1000. So 850, that's about
Are you sure you're recording?
$9.50, $10 Canadian. It is recording, Isabel. Oh, thank you.
Don't forget your bag.
I'm not gonna forget the
Oh, I would.
Oh, I know you would.
Namaste. Have a good day.
All right, so I got everything I needed.
From Walmart.
Got the power bars,
Ah, chucha, casi me caigo.
so I don't die on the way to Everest. Got my headlamp because I've been using a broken flashlight and it's really pissing me
Are you
off.
really using me as your camera person?
Yeah, you're doing a pretty good job. And I got my carabiner for my camera. so I can hook it on my backpack. I can take cool pictures and
I'm not sure if I'm
have a
on
good.
your face.
I think not. Have a good memory of. I'm not really sure how to hold this thing either. So more or less, this place is like an outpost. You're gonna buy all the you need before you really go off in the middle of nowhere. I mean, after we leave this place, it's gonna be a while before we have a decent shower, or you know, supplies, all that stuff. Anything else as well that I'm forgetting?
No, I just want to go to the room because I don't want to.
Yeah. Started raining, so I'm gonna head back to the hotel room, dry off a bit. Some more of Namche Bazaar, which I mean, literally, you can pretty much buy whatever you need before you do your big trek here. I mean, we have electronics, food items, guide services, whatever you need.
We have any food here?
I don't know where we're going.
No, we're not here.
We're not here. We're totally lost. Here at Namche Bazaar.
Where are we?
I think we're just going to someone's house.
Where's our last hotel? No, it's not. No.
Yeah, it is.
We never walked this.
Well, I got lost because I got busy filming and I wasn't paying attention. So yeah, the hotel we're staying at, we're paying 500 rupees each, which is the equivalent to about $6 Canadian. Basic room, basic stuff. The guy gave us free Wi-Fi, so that's kind of cool. There's our hotel right there. Lhasa, what's it called? Lhasa Guest House or something like that. Yep. So I don't even remember what I was babbling about there.
I tried to do.
Yeah. So it's 500 each for the room, $6. But we get free Wi-Fi. A shower there costs 400 rupees, which is like, I don't know, maybe $4.50, something like that. Might be a little off with the map there. Got some more stuff here. Yeah, whatever you need. Toothbrush, toiletry items, water, 100 rupees. However, we're not buying plastic water. We bought chlorine tablets, really cheap, in Kathmandu. So I just been grabbing water on the fly, out of streams, whatever, out of waterfalls, or in your hotel room. Just chuck a tablet in there, and it's all good. But yeah, bottled water here, 100 rupees. That's about $1.20 Canadian. What's that? That's in my pocket. Oh. Well, I have our key, because I try to be responsible. But Isabel found a key, and we'll just give it to the hotel owner here. Sell yak cheese. Very yummy. And I walked right past the entrance. Okay, now we're out of the rain. Close that up there. There we go. And this is our guest house.